Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jump throw in CSGO. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Start with, you just want to click escape and head into your settings. I'm going to go into game time here and make sure this on game also. And just want to look for this enable developer console. Now if you're new to the game, this will automatically be set to no. So what you want to do if it is just select yes and you can head back to your game. Now from here we can just click a button to open up the console. And here's where we can start doing jump throws. Now the key to jump throws is actually binding keys to it. Input this command of the bind you want to put in, whatever letter or whatever you want to bind this command to. There's this one, I'm just going to use N, and feel free to stop the video if you just need to take time, and feel free to stop the video if you just need to take note of this command. And once you're ready, click enter. The way to do is buy your grenades and hold them in your hand, and then you want to line up whatever you're going to throw. And you want to hold down your left click to have it ready to throw when it's lined up and you're ready to throw. You just want to click the bottom which you just binded. In my case, it's N. As you can see, it jumps and throws at the same time, and it will get perfect distance on that, and it will basically land perfectly every single time. So there's also a command which we can use to bind run throws. Sometimes you may need a bit more distance and you may need to run through it. So we just want to put in this command. Feel free to stop the video once again if you need to save it. And in key, I'm looking to N again, so I just unbinded it. So what we can do now is exactly the same thing. You want to hold down your finger when you're ready, and when it's all lined up, you just want to go ahead and click your bind button. And as you can see, obviously, that was only a grenade, but it ran and threw it at the perfect point to get a bit more distance on that. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.